Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today we are going to learn about the variations, and the exercise today we will learn is exercise 3.1. The question is about gold and silver are mixed in the ratio of 7:4. So gold to silver 7:4. If 36 gram of silver, so silver is 36 grams is used, how much gold is used? Now we have to find the real weight of the gold. So gold is to silver, proportion, gold is to silver. So as we know that 7:4, that is equal to let's suppose gold is x, so x ratio 36. Now as we know, we can express this ratio in the form of fraction as well. 7/4, that equals to x by 36. Now this will, it's dividing here, or we can multiply 36 on both sides so that we may get rid of this and find the value of the gold, which is x. So 4 ones are 4 nines are 36, and 9 multiply 7, so x is 63 grams of gold will be there.